My name is Juan Antonio Maldonado. I'm a sergeant from the New York City Police Department, detailed to the New York City Office of Emergency Management. It was truly heartfelt to me because I know that being here for Hurricane Maria, I recognize the devastation. I know they were compromised, so we knew that Puerto Rico was going to need help in so many ways because their infrastructure was already compromised. And so again, we're just honored to be here to be able to provide the assistance that we've been able to provide.
Mi nombre es el agente Ángel Luis Burgos Carrasquillo. Soy policía del municipio de San Juan. Pensé que después de 5 años íbamos a estar preparados, pero no fue así. Fue fuerte. Y estar por todos los pueblos de Puerto Rico y ver el desastre que ocasionó, pues no fue fácil, es una tarea muy difícil y siempre está ese temor de que venga un temporal, un huracán y cause estragos aquí en Puerto Rico.
My name is Jose A. Otero. I'm a detective with the New York City Police Department Elite Emergency Service Unit. I'm also a member of the New York Task Force 1, Urban Search and Rescue, and detailed out with New York City Emergency Management on this deployment to Puerto Rico. The collaboration with the San Juan Police Department is very important, and it goes back to Hurricane Maria. They were valuable. You couldn't put a price tag on their resources. And it's been the same for the earthquakes, and it's been the same for Hurricane Fiona. Their ability to be able to not only collaborate with other police departments in Puerto Rico, which is a lot, they're also able to navigate roads which GPS, Waze, and any other devices to get us to these smaller rural areas they call campos or parcelas that are in the mountainsides of Puerto Rico. Case in point, we were going to one of the parcelas in the mountain and every road was closed off. And one of the officers just happens to know the area very well, and he was able to navigate us to where we need to go. And they also make a lot of contact with other municipalities that allow us to get to the location we need to get to, because communications is literally cut off when we first got here. And their expertise and their professionalism is bar none.
Mi nombre es Leandro Ureña, soy policía municipal, llevo 15 años para la agencia. En Nueva York y Puerto Rico tenemos muchos puertorriqueños, so es muy bueno la ayuda que nos brindan, al igual que poder unir a puertorriqueños con estadounidenses para poder ayudar a nuestro país. Nos unimos como hermanos, ¿verdad?, para poder sacar a Puerto Rico hacia adelante.
Everything that I've done has made me proud, but I think going throughout the island and seeing the devastation that's been happening and being able to help people it's definitely a rewarding thing. But there was a lady who lived in a house. She was with her grandkids, and a tree fell on her roof, literally destroying the house, and she was in the house. So at this time, we were checking the house, and no one was there yet, but we were looking around, and in my mind, I'm thinking, wow, whoever was in here is lucky to survive. And one of the officers tells me, hey, the lady who lives here, she's in the front. And I proceeded to talk with her, and I just saw the look in her eyes. And I think for her, it was not so much that she lost her house, not so much that she almost lost her life with her grandkids, but the fact that we were there. That's what made the whole deployment worthwhile.
Mi nombre es Sargento José R. González Rolón. Trabajo actualmente, me desempeño aproximadamente como 34 años de servicio. Trabajo en una división que se llama Intervención Ambiental, creada a su vez por el honorable alcalde de San Juan, Miguel Romero Lugo. Bueno, he visto mucha gente todavía llorando, claro, sentida por tanto derrumbe, mucha gente sin luz, sin agua, sin alimento, carreteras rotas, puentes rotos, etc.
Mi nombre completo es Emilio Rodríguez Fernández y soy agente de la Policía Municipal de San Juan. Bueno, fue algo impresionante lo que nosotros vimos y vivimos en estas últimas 2 semanas. Para empezar, fuimos a más de 40 municipios. Fuimos al suroeste, noroeste, y te puedo decir que vimos devastación, vimos familias que lo perdieron todo, especialmente, ¿verdad?, la necesidad y la desesperación del agua y la luz, que fue lo más que pudimos observar, además de los derrumbes. Fue algo impactante. Realmente no sabía que el huracán Fiona había hecho los estragos ¿verdad?, que sucedieron, hasta no vivirlo y observarlo con el equipo de NYC.
I think it's crucial for multiple reasons. Like Mayor Adams has said in the past, I mean, they've called Puerto Rico the sixth borough of the city. We have learned that that cooperation in between agencies is incredible, and sharing that knowledge, that sort of brotherhood and partnership between the police departments and the emergency managers feel there's so many valuable lessons they're learned, and we take that forward.
Que sigamos hacia adelante y que esto que hemos llevado junto con los miembros que vinieron de allá de la ciudad de Nueva York, que se siga repitiendo. Claro, no esperamos que sea así por esto pasado, sino que siempre nos ayuden mutuamente y que seamos ejemplos para otros estados.
Mi nombre es Juan Vélez Hernández, llevo 15 años trabajando para San Juan Police Department. Quiero darle las gracias al Mayor Eric Adams por darnos la oportunidad de compartir y trabajar con su equipo de trabajo, especialmente también a nuestro alcalde Miguel Romero, comisionado José Juan García, por darnos esta oportunidad de trabajar en equipo, de hacer algo nuevo que nunca habíamos hecho y poder demostrarle a Puerto Rico que somos unos first responders y estamos aquí para servir siempre.